Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you the 12 months of the year by their names in Yoruba language and the 7 days of the week by their names in Yoruba language. I am going to pronounce them one by one and equally sing with them as we used to sing it in Yorubaland. Month is called Oshu in Yoruba language and day is called Ojo in Yoruba language. So let's get started. Ojo Kini, that is the first month of the year, known as January in English language, is called Sere. Ojo Keji, that is the second month of the year, known as February, is called Erele. Oṣù Kẹta, that is the third month of the year, known as March, is called Erena. Oṣù Kẹrin, that is the fourth month of the year, known as April, is called Igbe. Oṣù Karùn-ún, that is the fifth month of the year, known as May, is called Obibi. Oṣù Kẹfà, that is the sixth month of the year, known as June, is called Okudu. Oṣù Keje, that is the seventh month of the year, known as July, is called Agemo. Oṣù Kẹjọ, that is the eighth month of the year, known as August, is called Ogun. Oṣù Kẹsàn-án, that is the ninth month of the year, known as September, is called Owewe. Oṣù Kẹwàá, that is the 10th month of the year, known as October, is called Owara. Oṣù Kọkànlá, that is the 11th month of the year, known as November, is called Belu. Oṣù Kejìlá, that is the 12th month of the year, known as December, is called Ọ̀pẹ. Now, let's sing with the months. Here we go. Sere, Erele, Erena, Igbe, Obibi, Okudu, Agemo, Ogun, Owewe, Owara, Belu, Ọ̀pẹ. Let's take it again. Sere, Erele, Erena, Igbe, Obibi, Okudu, Agemo, Ogun, Owewe, Owara, Belu, Ọ̀pẹ. Now, let's move to the days of the week. As I said earlier, day is called Ojo in Yoruba language. So, here we go. Ojo Kini, that is the first day of the week known as Sunday, is called Aiku. Ojo Keji, that is the second day of the week known as Monday, is called Aje. Ojo Keta, that is the third day of the week known as Tuesday, is called Isegun. Ojo Kerin, that is the fourth day of the week known as Wednesday, is called Ojoru. Ojo Karun, that is the fifth day of the week known as Thursday, is called Ojobo. Ojo Kefa, that is the sixth day of the week known as Friday, is called Eti. Ojo Keje, that is the seventh day of the week known as Saturday, is called Abameta. Now, let's sing with the days. Here we go. Aiku Aje Isegun Ojoru Ojobo Eti Abameta. Let's take it again. Aiku Aje Isegun Ojoru Ojobo Eti Abameta. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.